How to create Expedia account. Creating an Expedia account is free and can be done by visiting Expedia sign in, or you could simply use the app as well. Once you're done installing the Expedia app from your respective app store, you have these ways: sign in with Google or other ways to sign in. You could simply go ahead and select one of these procedure. And if you don't have an account, you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in your email address that you want to register and select continue button. After you've done that, it's going to confirm your email. So a 6-digit code will be sent to your registered email. Here it is. And tap the continue button. Once you've done that, you then need to enter in the mobile number that you want to register with, or you could also skip this part for now. After you've done that, you want to make sure to enter all the details, such as fill in your first name, last name, email address, and create a password as well. And once you're done, you want to just select submit or continue to finish. And that is how you're supposed to create an account on Expedia. So you could also enable location if you want to. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.